Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to make some Persian rice. Now, it's so amazing how different culture prepare rice differently, right? Alright, so for this amazing recipe, you're going to need an Irish potato, you're going to need some vegan butter, some saffron, some coriander, and some salt, right? I'm not sure if you guys are familiar, especially my Jamaican viewers, I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with saffron. Now, it looks like that, and that's what it comes in. All right, so let's get started. Now bring to boil 2 cups of water. At this point you can go ahead and add like a teaspoon of salt. What I want you guys to do is to wash your rice. Now I don't want you to break up the rice grains, okay? I learned about this rice preparation about 2 years ago at a cooking class, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. I'm gonna soak it for a little in some salt, okay? I'll be using some sea salt. Now add the rice to the water for no longer than 6 minutes, guys. Now peel a potato because we're going to slice these up. You want medium slices, not too thin, not too thick, okay? And you can, at this point, you can add them to some water so they don't change color on you, right? Alright guys, so we're going to pour the rice in a colander or a strainer, and I want you to wash it. Just run the cold water over the rice because we're stopping the cooking process, right? You're going to grease the pot bottom with some oil. We're going to add the coriander seeds. You can just wait a minute for the flavor to come out in the oil. And then we're going to add the potato slices. Now I want you guys to watch me carefully now. We're not going to pack the rice, okay? We're just going to put it in there to form like a pyramid. And we're also going to use some butter. And I want you to poke a little hole in the middle so the rice can get to breathe, okay? And very important, I want you to wrap your pot cover with dishcloth. No, you're going to put it on the reason why you're going to use the cloth is because while the rice is steaming, you want the cloth to absorb the water, okay? And leave it there, guys, on medium to low heat for 1 hour. Okay guys, so at this point you're going to grind some of your saffron. Okay, we're also going to add some warm water just to release the color and the flavor. Guys, I almost forget that I have rice here steaming. You can just cover it and just forget about it, you know, just leave it. You don't have to pay it any mind at all. Alright, so you can see how nice it looks, right? Alright, so what I'm going to do now is to scoop off some of the rice. And add some saffron to it, okay? Just scoop it off. And yes, the crust is very important too. Gonna add some saffron. Oh my god, guys, you see that color? Isn't it amazing? Oh my word. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I hope you try it. Most importantly is that you try it, okay? Okay guys, so you can just spread that on top in no particular order. You remember the potatoes we had at the bottom, so we're just going to decorate it around the edges. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. And no, I see all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel, and even my existing subscribers. I really do appreciate all of you guys. So stay tuned for my next video, guys. Until next time, bye.